What's going on, everyone? We are back today on another boat renovation video. So the last video I started getting the front deck carpeted, the base carpeted, and also applied a piece inside the boat as well. If you remember from that video, at the end I ran out of carpet, so I've gotten some more. As you can see behind me, I got some more carpet, got some more adhesive, so we're ready to roll and finish this up. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be tucking the carpet underneath here and stapling this, and then putting these where they need to be, and then getting the rest of this carpeted as well. So that's what the plan today is, but that's enough talking. Let's get in here and start getting this done. So the first thing we got to do is take a stapler and staple this carpet underneath, and go from there. We're going to have to cut some of the edges to make it fit better, but we're going to do that and get it done. Now I just gotta do the other one. Yeah, boy. Look at that beautiful specimen. Completely carpeted and ready to row, yo. Yeah. Woo. Okay, this part is going to be a little weird. So, I got to apply glue underneath here and like make this bend like this. I'm just hoping it's gonna stay. I'm a little worried about it, but we're gonna try it out and hopefully make it work. I feel like I'm laying bricks. Alright, so that is in. We got this side glued down, so now I gotta cut that side and get it glued in. So let's get that started. Alright guys, so now I got to get the glue over on this side and get it ready to roll. I am joined by Jordan today. He is finally gracing us with his presence in one of our boat videos. But today we're going to be cutting the transom board for the back of the boat, and we might dabble in a couple other things while we're here since I got Jordan to help me. So it'd be good to have a second set of hands. So all the hands. Here you go. Hands. So we're gonna get up here, we're gonna get this transom board cut. The thing I've been dreading, it's so time, but I feel like with Jordan we can get it done. Yes. So let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the excess off here. That way we just have to work with this, and then we'll cut the transom board. Alright, so as we pretty much expected, we're gonna have to cut this in half, like this way, just because the way the boat's designed.
So as you can see,
hey Travis, hey. Alright, so what we had to do was we had to cut the transom board in half long ways, because you see that little angle bracket right there? we couldn't fit the main board down there, so we had to cut it in half to be able to do that. We got the clamps holding the top section in half, so we can work with that, and then we gotta get all the boats and crap back in their spots, and yeah, go from there, yo boy. So what I gotta do now is I gotta match my drill bit up. I gotta drill a couple holes. The holes are on the back side here, so I gotta drill through them, get to this side, and then we'll boat that back to where it needs to be. That way it'll kind of hold itself. Sorry about that. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. I got part of the transom on the video. So I told you we had to put a whole new transom board and stuff in here. Part of this was on the video, but then the battery died, so I didn't catch all of it. But it has been done at this point. You can see the boats have all been put in. The plate for where the trolling motor hooks to has been done. The whole backside boats have all been put in. And if we put a little bit of sealant around each of those.